Hi, my name's Tom. This is the Slant Spin neck fan. It's a different neck fan than what you're normally used to. It has some features that you don't normally see. I'm going to go ahead and show you the features and then go ahead and go for a quick walk and just kind of show you how well it works. I really like this one as opposed to some of the others. Let me tell you why. First of all, this is not one of those normal neck fans. Normally they have like adjustments in the back. You kind of stretch and you open them. This one you just sort of lay on your neck just like this. There are pads here and it is very flexible. As you can see, it kind of flexes back and forth. Whether your neck is big or small, it doesn't matter. You don't have to adjust it. You just kind of rest it there and it will just kind of rest on your neck. It has enough weight to kind of hold itself down. I wouldn't take it on a roller coaster where you're going upside down, but otherwise it will stay in place, especially as you're walking or jogging. It works well. It does stay in place. This actually has two different fans on it. As you can see, one on this side, the power button over here, and one on this side, power button over here, and here are the fans. And the fans go ahead and they blow up, and they blow up these little channels here. They go shooting up these channels, so when you're wearing this air goes up and kind of hits your neck and then goes up. It's actually a very comfortable zip up, kind of a zip up of air, and it feels really, really good. But there's a couple little tricks to this. Let me go ahead and explain kind of how this works. So first things first, each of these sides is rechargeable. In the bottom there, you see little USB-C port right there and a little USB-C port right there. You do get a special cord just for charging it. It's USB-C A, and then you have two USB-Cs. You want to go ahead and charge up both sides of this because both sides have an independent battery. So that's kind of nice. That means you have more battery power. And a lot of these neck fans, what they do is they put the battery in the top of the back here so it's not flexible and it's kind of heavy and kind of pulling you down. That's not how this works. All the battery is on the side, so it's a little more comfortable. It's kind of just set in there, and it kind of keeps the whole thing steady. I want you to see something else. Each side does have a power button. It does not matter which power button you use. Each power button controls both fans at the same speed. It will keep them in sync, so you won't have one out of sync. That'll kind of drive you crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it once. Okay, now you may not even hear it. I have my microphone right here, but I can start to feel it's a very light. That's level 1, 2, 3 is a little bit of a whine. I can still talk, I can still hear stuff, I can still hear birds, but I can definitely feel the air coming up my neck. Let's see here, 4, 5, and then 6. That's the cool part. Now here's a super duper fan. This is actually very cooling. There's a lot of humidity in the air right now, but I can just kind of feel all of this area right here, all kind of cool. You might even see my hair blowing a little bit. I have some stuff in it. But it's very cool. I got a channel of cool air right in here. I can still hear the birds. I can still walk. I can still talk. There are 6 different levels of cooling. That's what I like about this. Normally these things only have 1 or 2 levels, high or low. This one has up to 6 different levels of cooling. I'm going to take it off and you can kind of see the fans are going. I can feel it there. I'm going to put it back on just like that. And it just works really well. It's comfortable. It's relatively quiet. I'm actually shocked at how well it works. And then you just press either one to turn it back off. So you have 6 different levels of speed, and then you go ahead and turn it back off. So I'm going to go ahead and do just a quick walk and just kind of show you and just kind of talk about it some more because it really does work pretty well. Okay, I'm going to go for a quick walk. The nice part about having the power button on either side is that whether you're left-handed, right-handed, maybe you have something in a hand, I'm going to go up to about 4, and I can just walk, I can feel it, I can jump up and down, I can run. It's going to stay in place. Again, has a little bit of heft, not heavy enough to actually pull your neck down, not heavy enough to actually hurt you, but as you walk, you'll feel the air kind of blowing up into your air. Now, if I have a hat on, that's actually where it's really cool. I had a hat with a brim on earlier, and I could actually kind of feel the air kind of just rolling around the side of my head. That was nice too. So it does work really, really well. I do recommend this as opposed to one of the adjustable ones. This just works a whole lot better, and it's really, really highly recommended.